happy birthday. Okay, this time, isa pa daw po, kasama lahat ng ate, kuya, mommy, and daddy. Samahan niyo po kami sa ating happy birthday. Ready and... lahat kasama yung kids ha. Ready and... Let's go! Go! Happy birthday to you! Mas malakas! Happy birthday to you! Pinakamalakas! Happy birthday, happy birthday! Walang tao dun ah. Ayaw, pinakamalakas, may palakpak! Ready! Go! Happy birthday! Palakpak! Pinakamalakas! Alright, and let's have happy birthday, Cassie! Kung ano yung mas malakas ng boses ko, mahina sa inyo ah. So, pinakamalakas! Sabay-sabay! And yung pinakamahina! Wala na yan. Sige po. Po na kayo guys. Sige po. Salamat po.